guys? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, guys, we're gonna be ranking EAS alarms from 1 to 10. So first, let's look at the Chinese. Okay, I do not understand any of the word, but I like it. It's so cool looking. So I will give it a 6 out of 10. Great job, China. Right, let's look at... It sounds like a computer glitching. I'm gonna rate it a 3 out of 10. Oh, that's... okay, Germany. I've never heard any of these. Listen to Germany. I've never heard any of these EAS alarms except for USA. Oh God. 10 out of 10, yeah. Woo, Germany, you're a banger. You are a banger, guys. That was so cool. I like that. Okay. We're gonna look at okay, Ukrainian. It sounds like the fire alarm. But I don't like it. I'll give it 1 out of 10. I don't like that sound and I do not want to hear it again. So yeah, keep that away from me. Let's now see. Oh my God. It sounds like a tornado siren. There's siren from it. I will... This scared me actually, so I'm gonna rate that 0 out of 10. It's so... Okay, Guatemala. I wanna see... That... 0 out of 10. That is a song from Five Nights at Freddy's. Stop it. Get some help. I'm going to look. Let's look at. This is getting horrible. Italy. Let's look at Italy's EAS alarm. Let's look at it. I want to make this look Germany. I'll give that a 9 out of 10. Yeah. I'll give that 9 out of 10. Yeah, I'll give that 9 out of 10. Let's look at... Okay, Israel. It's saying to look at Israel. That sounds like hell. So 0 out of 10. It sounds just like hell. Look at India's EAS alarm. Sounds like a video game. Yeah. It sounds like a video game. Yeah. India has weird sounds. Yeah, let's look at Brazil. Brazil? Maybe let's look at this one. That is scary, so I'll give that a 8 out of 10. How about that, Germany? Take that, Germany. Let's look at Bulgaria. Let's look. It sounds like a railroad crossing. I'll give that a 10 out of 10 because I'm nice. Let's look at Benin. Look at Benin, guys. I heard this country. That might go to travel to all countries in the world. Like, whoa, I like that. 10 out of 10, dude. I love that. I like that. Let's look at Japan's. Let's see. It sounds like I'm getting a notification on my phone. Sounds like I'm getting a notification on my phone. Let's look at Mexico. 0 out of 10. I don't even like that sound, and there's no meaning to it. There's no meaning to it. Let's look at Greece. Okay, let's look at Greece's EA. Oh. Let's look at the YouTuber that makes these. Durant. He makes these. So That is scary, guys. So I'm gonna rate that a 2 out of 10.
Did you check on him? Check on
I'm recording a YouTube video, okay? I'll rate that a 2 out of 10 Canadian. Yes. That sounds like another fire. I'll rate that a 3 out of 10 because my school fire alarm scares the heck out of me. United States ES alarm. Yeah, it just sounds like a robot. 2 out of 10. French? Sounds like you're swearing at me. 0 out of 10. It's swearing at me. Vietnamese? It sounds like a music from some kind of Komodo island. Railroad crossing. 0 out of 10. Iraq? That is scary. 2 out of 10. No, not in the world. New Zealand? Jesus, that sounds like a fire alarm. That sounds like a fire alarm taking over the whole entire world. So I'll rate that a 10 out of 10. Polish? Sounds like a toy. 0 out of 10. Sounds like a crane going up. I'll rate that a 4 out of 10. Philippines? I don't even know what that sound is. I'll rate that a 7 out of 10. Albert. Video game death. No. 0 out of 10. I hate that sound. Australia? 2 out of 10. Russian. Why are there so many tornado sounds? I'll rate that a 4 out of 10. Romania. Dude, it's all tornado sounds. 2 out of 10. Corrodian? This guy said sounds like a corrupted raincoat. Let's hear it. Sounds like a sound from a freaking doll horror movie. And it sounds like one of those bells you have on your porch, except it's in a horror movie and it sounds like it's possessed. 0 out of 10. Too scary. Indonesia? It's just saying beep. I don't like that. Saudi Arabian? Nope. Chile. Sounds like something getting powered up, like a okay, Norwegian. Oh! 2 out of 10, 2 out of 10. That is the scariest thing I've ever heard. Scariest thing I've ever heard in my entire life. I do not want to ever hear that sound again. Never, ever make me listen to that sound ever again. Time bomb. It's just another fire alarm. Spanish. It sounds like a phone ringing. 2 out of 10. Iran. Oh, it sounds like a race car. 10 out of 10, man. Swedish. Beep. 0 out of 10. UK. It just sounds like UK. 2 out of 10. Norwegian, I'm never listening to that again. We didn't do shit. It sounds like a glitch in the Matrix. 2 out of 10. I don't like glitches. Portuguese. Whoa. It's cussing at me. 0 out of 10. Stop cussing at me. 0 out of 10. There's no Dutch. Yeah, no. 2 out of 10. Ooh. It sounds like you're gonna salute someone. 10 out of 10. Nice. Egyptian. It's just a normal thing. 2 out of 10. What's one? It sounds like a microwave. 2 out of 10. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Wait, what? Yeah, I know. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.